Using Apple Pay contactless payment can be a convenient and secure way to make transactions. To get started, first ensure your device is compatible with Apple Pay, such as an iPhone, Apple Watch, or iPad. You will also need to add your credit or debit card to the Wallet app on your device. To add a card, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign. Then follow the prompts to enter your card information or take a photo of your card. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank, which can be done through their website or by calling them. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay to make contactless payments at participating merchants. To do this, hold your device near the contactless reader, with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor to authenticate the transaction. On an Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch near the reader. You can use Apple Pay in stores, online, and in apps. When shopping online or in apps, look for the Apple Pay button at checkout and tap it to complete your purchase. Apple Pay can also be used for public transportation and at vending machines that support contactless payments. It is a good idea to use Apple Pay for low-value transactions, such as buying coffee or snacks, as it can be a quick and easy way to pay. Additionally, using Apple Pay can help you avoid having to physically touch payment terminals, which can be beneficial for hygiene and security reasons. For security, Apple Pay does not store your actual card number on your device or on Apple servers, and transactions are monitored for suspicious activity. If your device is lost or stolen, you can use the Find My app to suspend or remove your cards from Apple Pay. In summary, Apple Pay contactless payment is a convenient and secure way to make transactions. By adding your card to the Wallet app and using your device to make payments, you can enjoy the benefits of contactless payment. Remember to use Apple Pay for low-value transactions and take advantage of its security features to protect your financial information.